Most 35-foot center consoles ask you to pick a lane. Fish hard or live easy. The Pursuit S358 refuses to choose. Built in Fort Pierce, Florida by Pursuit Boats, founded 1977, the last family-owned American sport boat house still building hand-laid hulls in the United States. Twin Yamaha 450 XTO offshore outboards, 900 horsepower at the transom, top end pushes past 40 knots. A 22-degree deadrise carries cruise speed cleanly through chop, and 343 gallons of fuel give this hull serious range to the canyons and back. 37 feet 4 inches overall, 11 feet 4 inches of beam, 2 feet 5 inches of draft with motors trimmed up, foredeck lounges, mezzanine seating, a full beam hardtop with integral grab rails and a sliding access hatch overhead, 12 stainless steel rod holders, a 32-gallon lighted recirculating livewell, twin Garmin GPSMAP 8616 displays at the helm, JL Audio MM105 HR head unit, a walk-in enclosed head with stand-up clearance, and a folding mezzanine that knows when to disappear. The interior cabin runs full headroom with a settee that converts to a berth, a 28-inch cabin television, optional air conditioning, and the wood and white finish Pursuit has built its reputation on. Bottom line, this is the rare center console that fishes like a tournament rig and entertains like a yacht, a working machine that's also a Sunday morning. For the full spec sheet and every detail, visit yacht-specsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.